Junk mail. Junk mail. Why junk mail? Oh, hi. You caught me at my desk again today. How are you? All right? I was going through some of my favorite bacon lovers videos here, and I found an inside-out bacon lettuce and tomato sandwich. I don't think you ever saw that, did you? It only has about 500 views in 5 years. So you know what? I'm going to show you it again. You want to see it again? I was going to delete it because I was going to make it again because it's so delicious. If you want to see something old-fashioned, which it's old-fashioned. Look, I got Eddie's Pizza's pen. Thanks, Eddie. Nice. Got pepper on there. Pepper and a tomato. Eddie's Lakeview Pizza. You know Eddie's Lakeview Pizza, don't you? Anyway, I want to ask you, but I'm not going to be able to hear your answer until the video's on. So you want to see an old video? I might scare you because I look younger. It's a little more primitive and dark, and the kitchen looks different. But I'm going to show it to you, okay? Inside Out BLT. Alright, so I'm going to remove this from YouTube and edit it again. Okay? Open my Cyberlink Power Director. Watching Bonanza. Cool, huh? Alright, stay tuned. Watch this old video. Hope I don't scare you with my youth. I'm going to be exercising later out there. I'm going to get in a shape. See ya. Here we go. La la la. Here it is. Look. I found it. I keep them on a hard drive. Here it is. Look at me. Watch. Uh-oh. Alright. See, there I am. Look how old it is. Look. BLT. Look at this. So what's so great about that, you said? Who's going to be inside out? That's what. Alright. Look, it's going to be so good. Alright. Stay tuned to watch that. And make it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Alright, simple BLT. Look at this. So what's so great about that, you said? Who's gonna be inside out? That's what. That's what. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on it, because you need that with a BLT. Here, hold the mayo. I'll put my lettuce down. I usually like going in order because it's called a BLT. I usually do bacon, lettuce, and tomato because I want it in order. Otherwise, it's not a BLT, it's a LBT or something. Now the dog is getting hungry. Lettuce. See, what do you mean inside out? What are you talking about? Watch. No, bacon, tomato, lettuce. He said it's just a lettuce and tomato sandwich. Put more mayo. Put the roof on. Nice sandwich, huh? But what about the bacon? Oh, you know what's gonna happen with the bacon. What's gonna happen with the bacon? Look at this. Yup. She knows what's going on. She knows. She's telling you what it's gonna be like. Look. You didn't do that. You were eating so good for a week. Think about that, Jay. Jay's the one that gave me this one. I said I'm gonna have some extra oil after I make something. He said, and he told me this. And I said, yeah. Going in. 375 degrees. That's gonna be a hero. My hero. About 3 minutes. Wow! hunk of burning grease. Mama. Inside out BLT. Holy cow. I'm going to eat healthy because I'm only going to eat one, but if these are that good, I'm going to have another one. You know? Maybe if I put that in the broiler, maybe it would have been less greasy probably. Even though it has bacon. You know, put it in the broiler, turn it over in a minute. But I had the grease here because I cooked something earlier. So it went in. I turned it over, look at that. Looks like a little roast. I better get it out of there, huh? Lift him. Oh, dude, that's a BLT. Inside out BLT. Mama. Gotta let it cool. I ain't going in there. Gotta let it cool. Still a little smoky. Look it. Remember what's in there? BLT is in there. B is on the outside. And bread. Wow. Oh. What about Hot Pockets? Second bite. Wow. Let's stick together pretty good. Woo! Inside out, BLT. One for you and one for me. Okay. I'm gonna finish that in peace. Yes. Like I always say, what's next? What is next? I don't know, but I'm gonna think of something, huh? Alright. Happy healthy eating, everybody. Talk to you soon. Stay cool. Like me.